It's arTRYx 2023 and we are delighted to present to you our third edition. This student-led arts festival is going to blow your mind. Come and experience everything for yourself and see our students display creativity through our hot colors and attributes.
Get engaged in various different workshops, aka passion projects, and enjoy incredible talents till the sun goes down.
Some of the activities include painting,
join me as we sip and paint,
fashion, pottery, floral arrangements, robotics, cooking, baking, music, dance, writer's block, and so much more.
Hi everyone, we are Writer's Block. Walk into our cafe
and be transported into the realms of writers and poets.
The women of our lives. For 9 months, they carried us in their bellies. For that night, they labored for our birth. Having conceived us, they covered us with tender, loving care.
And to crown it all off, we'll be having jams in the evening.
This fantastic artistic event is happening right here at the secondary school campus on the 24th of March from 12 noon to 8 p.m. Come, learn something and have some fun.
Can't wait to see you there!